Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Daniel Ricciardo hears strange noises as Sergio Perez does nude yoga. Perez added, totally naked. Yeah, just to have that interaction between us. Ricciardo added, sometimes I hear you in the pre-race room when I am walking by, and there are strange noises. Perez added, totally naked. Yes, just to have that interaction between us. Ricciardo added, sometimes when I am walking by I hear you in the room before the race, and there are some strange noises. Obviously we reducing the loads before the race. We do a lot of planks. Of course we reduce the loads before the race.